Intraday trading, also known as day trading, is the practice of buying and selling financial assets within the same trading day. In other words, intraday traders aim to profit from short-term price movements of securities, such as stocks, currencies, and commodities, by executing trades during the trading hours of the exchange. Intraday trading can be done by individuals or institutions using various trading strategies and tools, such as technical analysis, chart patterns, volume indicators, and news releases. The goal is to identify profitable opportunities, make quick trades with high leverage, and minimize the risks associated with market volatility. Benefits of intraday trading. High potential for profits. Intraday trading can offer high potential returns on investment, especially when compared to long-term investments. By focusing on short-term price movements, intraday traders can make multiple trades in a single day and capture small profits from each trade. Over time, these small profits can add up to a substantial amount, providing significant returns on investment. Flexibility. Intraday trading provides flexibility in terms of time and trading style. Traders can choose to trade at any time during the day, depending on their schedule and market conditions. They can also use a variety of trading styles, such as scalping, swing trading, and position trading, to match their risk tolerance and investment goals. Reduced exposure to market risk. Intraday traders aim to capture short-term price movements and exit the market before the end of the day, which reduces their exposure to overnight market risks, such as news releases, market gaps, and global events. By avoiding overnight positions, intraday traders can minimize their risk and protect their capital. High leverage. Intraday trading allows traders to use high leverage, which means they can control a large amount of capital with a small initial investment. This can amplify their potential profits, but it also increases their risk of losses if the market moves against their positions. Constant learning. Intraday trading requires constant learning and skill development, as traders need to adapt to changing market conditions and refine their trading strategies to remain profitable. This can be a rewarding experience for traders who enjoy learning and improving their skills. Drawbacks of intraday trading. High risk of losses. Intraday trading involves high risk of losses, as traders need to make quick decisions based on limited information and high leverage. A single bad trade can wipe out a significant portion of the trader's capital, and consistent losses can lead to emotional stress, financial instability, and even bankruptcy. Psychological pressure. Intraday trading can be psychologically demanding, as traders need to manage their emotions, such as fear, greed, and anxiety, while making fast-paced decisions. This can lead to mental fatigue, burnout, and poor decision-making, especially if the trader lacks discipline and a solid trading plan. Hidden costs. Intraday trading involves hidden costs, such as trading commissions, slippage, bid-ask spread, and other fees, which can erode the trader's profits and increase their trading costs. Traders need to factor in these costs when calculating their potential returns and risk management. High learning curve. Intraday trading requires a steep learning curve, as traders need to master various trading tools and techniques, such as chart analysis, technical indicators, risk management, and trading psychology. This can take months or years of practice and experimentation, and many traders give up before achieving consistent profitability. Market volatility. Intraday trading is highly dependent on market volatility, which can be unpredictable and difficult to manage. Sudden market movements, such as price gaps, news releases, and global events, can cause significant losses or missed opportunities if the trader is not prepared. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe the video, and please don't forget to press bell icon. It motivates us to make informative videos for you. If you want to learn about share market and its trading strategies online live video classes, please drop your mail at info@successacademy.in or WhatsApp at +91 97972566675.